Out there alone on the mountainside, I walked without a care. The sun comes up, nocturnal tides, and I think that God was there. The morning sun warms Mother Earth, dewdrops like diamonds in her hair, like born again or a brand new birth, and I think that God was there. A morning mist lay on the lake, deep silence pierced the air, streams of light through every break, and I think that God was there. Then nature's music from the cedar trees, as wings of feathers hit the air. They dive and flutter in the breeze, and I think that God was there. Sometimes of preachers you get bored, but you want his love and care. Sometimes to really find the Lord, you've got to search out there. Sometimes I hear him in the trees, with the singing of a bird. Sometimes he whispers with an evening breeze, and that's how I get the word. Sometimes we talk down at the lake, out where the air is free. I always know there's no mistake when God talks to me. The sun and wind out there alone, walking over rock and sod, but you're not lonesome out there alone when you communicate with God. The mountain is full of his handiwork. Some will ask you where, 'cause their souls belong to the quota clerk or the crowd at the county fair. You can't explain to what degree, there's no way you can compare that bond out there with deity unless you think that God was there. Yes, I walked alone on the mountainside. I walked without a care. When atop the ridge I felt a hand, and I think that God was there. Good morning. I just been out for a nice little walk, little hike, a constitutional, good for the old body, get the joints working good again and circulation going. It's I like it up here. It kind of gives me a spiritual lift. It unscrambles my brain, so to speak. I can actually have a spiritual experience up there that away from the rat race, and however, it's something I couldn't have. I've had 27 people romp between the campsite. Somehow that group of people detract from the serenity and the solitude of the occasion. I was just walking down the trail a while ago, about 3/4 of a mile down there. I came back, I walked back past the old birdwatcher shack that used to be there. It's been gone now several years, but you can still see where it was. Some of you probably heard of the old birdwatcher. He dropped up for years, and everybody kind of wondered about him. He talked to himself, and he talked to the birds, and whether he got in real trouble, he claimed the birds were talking to him, and that's when people really started doubting whether he was stable or not. But I got to know the old man pretty good, and he was all right. He had an interesting life up there with the birds. He was a little odd, no doubt. I used to see him every once in a while. I go fishing up here, and I'd see him on the creek, and he always had to tell me about the birds. And I remember the last time I seen him. That was about that was the year before he disappeared. One day he was coming up the creek. I remember he used to sing a lot when he was out there by himself. He couldn't carry a tune in a barrel, but you could hear him coming up the creek. He was just singing away. I remember the last time I seen him. He was coming up the creek. I could hear him. I could hear him a half mile up there, I guess, before he got there. He was just singing away. And so I sit down and waited for him. I was fishing. Fishing wasn't quite much. But I could hear him coming up the creek. I remember that just like it was yesterday. The old man kind of made an impression on me. I can almost hear him now, coming up the creek sea. Just remember the red river night and the cowboy that drove you so blue. La 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 la. Hi, I'm the old bird watcher. I've been in the hills too long. This looks like a good place right here for a good night. See, there's no ants around here. Looks like the mosquitoes are gone. Looks like no bugs. Man, this would be a nice place right here. I'll just spin the blanket out right here. I'll have my picnic right here. Yeah, up there will be just right here. Don't see no mosquitoes. Mosquitoes? Swarming mosquitoes. Yeah. Look at the size of the mosquitoes. Hey, wait, they are good. They're big as hummingbirds. Wait now, hey, wait a minute. They are hummingbirds. Hey, I like hummingbirds. Yeah, I like hummingbirds, all right. I'll get along good with them. So you hummingbirds want to stay to the picnic, huh? Well, I didn't know hummingbirds talk. Well, it sounds like you do. Well, I guess it's okay if you want to stay to the picnic. How many of you wants to be there? Oh, you say you got some friends and a couple cousins. Well, okay. I guess you can come to the picnic. I got a lot of good stuff here in this picnic basket. Well, I got stuff in here you just can't imagine. I got potato salad made with peppermint candy and red wine, and I've got sandwich dip, and I got everything in there. I got drinks. Let's see here. You say you want to kiss. Well, kiss, I don't even hardly know you, and here you want to kiss. Oh, you say that's just tradition among the hummingbirds, and they don't really mean nothing. No, well, okay, I guess I can give you a kiss then. What's that? You say you want to look in my mouth? What do you want to look in my mouth for? Well, you're going to dental school. Well, that's silly. Hummingbirds don't have teeth. Well, no, I never did look in a hummingbird's mouth. I didn't, no, but I know hummingbirds don't have teeth. Well, you want to look in my mouth to see my dentures and I don't have any dentures. You want to see my bridges and stuff? And well, okay, I guess I can let you look in my mouth. How about a drink of pop? You like pop? You like pop? Okay, let's have some pop. Some soda pop. Let's see, what kind do you like? We got some Pepsi, we got some Sprite. Let's try some Pepsi here. There now, that was a pretty good drink, wasn't it?
Yeah, that was a good drink.
Hey, we got something real good here now. We got some red wine.
Man, is it good.
Birds can have some of this if you want to, but it's pretty strong. I made it myself last summer just before they sprayed the dandelions. Can't make too much of it. I don't see a bunch of drunk hummingbirds. I'm going to have to run back to the cabin about a half mile up the creek and get the sandwiches. If you birds just wait here and I'll be back in a minute. I think I'll get me an umbrella too. It looks like we might be going to get rained on. So I'll go get me some, get the sandwiches and get an umbrella for us. Okay? The old bird watcher never returned with the sandwiches and the umbrella. The old bird watcher was never seen again. The birds waited, but the season grew short and it was time to go south.